Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 4-ingredient gluten-free flourless chocolate cupcakes using just these ingredients. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instruction, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save when you want to make these cupcakes. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know what you think of this delicious cupcake recipe. So let me talk you through all the ingredients that you'll need, the 4 ingredients you'll need. Starting with these almonds over here, there are 200 grams or 7 ounces of blanched almonds, which are almonds without their skin on. And then I heated up my frying pan and I popped them in and I just roasted them until they had a little bit of color to them, and then I popped them in a bowl to cool down, and now they're cool, we can make our cupcakes. So they're all just going to get blended together. I've got 3 eggs and I'm using a whole 200 grams of chocolate. I've got my lovely dark chocolate from Aldi here, 85% dark chocolate. I am going to use 200 grams of that, which again is 7 ounces of chocolate. And you can use stevia, sugar, your sweetener of choice to make it as sweet as you like. And really it is super easy. I've got my food processor over here. Everything goes in the food processor, it's blended, and then we'll have our cupcake batter. Okay, so I have got the food processor all set up. We're going to pop the 200 grams of almonds in. And I'm just going to break up all the chocolate and put all the chocolate in as well until we've got our full 200 grams in the food processor too. Okay, all the chocolate it is in. That is a lot of chocolate, but it's going to be super chocolatey. And now it's up to you how sweet you want your cupcakes, whether you want to go 1/3 or 1/2 cup of stevia. I've gone for 1/3 cup because that is how sweet I want it. And then we're going to crack in the 3 eggs. So as you see, everything just goes in all together. And then the 3rd one. So if you have a look in the food processor, you can see it's nice and full. I have a small food processor. If you've got a bigger one, it's probably going to be a lot easier and will fill a lot easier. So I've got to pop the lid on carefully and then we're going to blend it all together. Okay. And we'll mix it. Okay, now it's up to you how chopped and how thick and nutty you want it. It's definitely more of a paste kind of consistency than a runny kind of cupcake consistency. I'm just going to scrape down the sides to make sure that everything gets fully incorporated in. But as you can see, it's quite a dense mixture. These aren't light and fluffy cupcakes, these are just dense and decadent chocolatey cupcakes. Okay, so I'll just pop it on for one last blend. And I'm happy with that. If you have a look up, you can see it is pretty thick. That is the perfect consistency. And now we'll pop it into the cupcake liners. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite a dense mixture, but this is how it is supposed to be. And just pop a good tablespoon into each cupcake liner. These ones are it's a big cupcake pan, but they're not really many. They're kind of in between size. That's actually the perfect size, as you can see. These would go also great in mini ones. They're kind of like bite-sized treats really, and you can see there's still a couple of bigger kind of pieces of almond in there, but that's so perfect. These are just amazing. So I filled all of the cupcake liners and I made sure they're all nice and topped up and roughly the same size. And now it's going to go into the preheated oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in for 25 minutes, and I will show you once they're done. The cupcakes are out of the oven. The house smells incredible. I know they're a little bit rough around the edges, but they taste amazing, let me tell you. So I'm gonna let them cool down and then I'll show you inside one. I have to be honest, I just like my chocolate cupcake with a swirl of whipped cream on top. You could enjoy it plain or with a swirl of whipped cream, just like that. If you have a look inside one, it's beautiful, solid cupcake, and just have to have a taste of it. It's so dark and lovely. It's just a beautiful cupcake, really dense, really chocolatey, just beautiful. But that is the video for today for these lovely flourless cupcakes. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know what you think of these cupcakes, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.